In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can repair enchanted items in Minecraft without losing their enchantments. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, one thing to know, if you do try and repair an enchanted item using a crafting table, the enchantments will be lost. To keep all enchantments intact, you are going to need to use an anvil, so go ahead and get yourself an anvil and place it down. Now, once you do have your anvil, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and place your enchanted item in there. And then for this second item, what you're going to want to use is the raw material used to craft it. So for example, I have a diamond sword. I would put diamonds in here, or another item of the exact same type. A good tip here is that using raw materials is obviously usually cheaper than using a full crafted item. So just keep that in mind. But once you do have the diamonds in here, you'll see, your new diamond sword on here. All you need to go ahead and do is just confirm it and drag that new diamond sword back into your inventory. And of course, it's still going to have all of its enchantments on there. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. Just make sure you're using an anvil and raw materials to repair this, and you're not going to lose any of your enchantments. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.